Get ready to add a touch of handcrafted elegance to your projects. Today we're diving into a captivating border pattern that combines simple stitches with a touch of weaving magic. Want to learn embroidery? My complete beginner to pro course is now on Udemy. 20 essential stitches, fun projects, and assignments to boost your skills. Check the link in the description for a special discount. First, let's mark our stitching lines. Using a ruler and a fabric marker or pencil, draw dots along the fabric, spaced about 1/2 centimeter apart. To get started, you'll need some fabric. I'm using this lovely light green linen and some thread. I've chosen a light beige crochet thread for this project, but you can also use embroidery floss if you prefer. You'll also need a needle, a ruler, and some scissors. These dots will guide our stitches and create the foundation for our weaving. Continue stitching these boxes along the fabric. I've created 3 rows of 18 boxes each, but you can adjust the height and length of your border by adding more rows or boxes. To make it extra secure for weaving, I'm adding 2 more stitches to form an X in the corners of the boxes. Now, starting from the left side of the second row, weave your needle over and under the vertical and horizontal threads of the boxes, creating a beautiful interlaced pattern. As you reach the end of each row, be sure to secure the thread again under the fabric on the right side. As you weave, you'll notice a delicate and intricate pattern emerging. It's like creating lace directly on your fabric. If you're planning to add this pattern to a garment, it's a good idea to get an idea of the size you want beforehand. This technique is perfect for adding a touch of elegance to garments, home decor, or any fabric project. Imagine this beautiful border adorning the edges of a dress, the cuffs of a blouse, or even the hem of a tablecloth. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different weaving patterns, thread colors, and fabric combinations to create your own unique designs. Try using a thicker thread for a bolder look, or add beads and sequins for extra sparkle. I hope you enjoyed this woven border tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!